Hi, today I'm reviewing the KAINE Vita Drop Serum. And really quick, I just want to say I purchased all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if that's something you're into, like, subscribe, share the video, click on the links below, or check out my Patreon community. Okay, so KAINE is a newer K-beauty brand. They've been hitting the road with some nice new stuff. So if I get a chance to test this out, I'm wearing it currently underneath my sunscreen and foundation and moisturizer. And anyway, so I'm going to talk about this. There's some dupes and similar products as well that I'll mention. So, okay, so they say hydrate, repair, and brighten your skin with this serum formulated with 73% vitamin tree fruit extract, which is also known as sea buckthorn extract. You'll see it in a lot of K-beauty products. It's also rich in antioxidants, also infused with 3% niacinamide for smoothing and brightening the skin, and triple hyaluronic acid for intense hydration. The watery formula gently absorbs into skin without any irritations, recommended for those with dark spots and blemishes. And if there's anybody that's an expert on brightening up skin, I'll take that, because my skin has melasma, it's got dark spots, it's got hyperpigmentation, it's got all of it going on. So anyway, okay, first criteria is packaging. We've got a glass pump bottle, which is very nice, very easy to use. People like glass pump bottles, I think. They say it looks nice on their cabinet and gives it a more expensive feeling. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. It's also fragrance-free and has no real noticeable scent to it. And the manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues with that. In terms of ease of use, so apply this after cleansing and toning, but before other moisturizers or sunscreens. I recommend using this one in your morning routine. You can certainly use it morning and evening, but if you're going to pick one routine to use it in, I recommend the morning, because you want something in your morning routine that has antioxidant protection, and the sea buckthorn fruit extract is great for that. Also has some anti-aging benefits. So it's got a light serum lotion texture to it. I like to give a good shake up there. So there we go. So it's kind of like a serum, but it's also kind of like a lotion. I think in K-beauty there's no real lotion step, but anyway, so a little bit of this one tends to go a very long way. Smooths over skin nicely, absorbs in a few moments, and once it sets to a slightly tacky finish. Not as tacky as a lot of things, but just slightly tacky. The finish is slightly neutral, almost a little bit radiant, but not terribly so, and it works well under moisturizers as well as sunscreen. So super easy to use, no issues at all with that. Really enjoy using it. It feels really nice on your skin, especially if you've got dry skin. It contains some nice oils which help keep it hydrated. Okay, so in terms of beneficial ingredients in here, so the star of the show is definitely going to be that sea buckthorn fruit extract. You'll see it in a lot of K-beauty stuff. It's a really nice antioxidant. Also has anti-aging properties for skin. So it's really nice, especially if you use it in a morning routine. That's what I typically recommend. If you want to use it in the evening too, that's great. But something, or vitamin C in your morning routine, is the best bet. Okay, excuse me. Next up, we've got niacinamide, anti-acne skin brightening ingredient. We've got betaine, which is a humectant. Meadowfoam seed oil, emollient with antioxidant, phytosterol compounds, and vitamin E. We've got an ingredient called Japanese gold thread root, which is super multifunctional. It's an antioxidant, it's a soothing ingredient, anti-inflammatory, and also hydrating ingredient. We've got biosaccharide gum, which is another soothing and humectant ingredient. There's neem extract, is skin conditioning extract. Holy basil extract, another skin conditioning. Sea buckthorn berry oil, so that's the oil version of sea buckthorn extract, which is antioxidant, skin protecting, emollient, and skin soothing. We've got panthenol, wound healing, skin soothing ingredient. Cocoa seed extract, amazing antioxidant. Then we've got hyaluronic acid, hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, and sodium hyaluronate, which are all humectants. Turmeric root, antioxidant, soothing, brightening, anti-inflammatory ingredient. We've got a version of an algae extract, which is a protecting ingredient. Then we've got two vitamin C derivatives, ethyl acid and ascorbyl glucoside, which are both vitamin C derivatives that may have antioxidant and brightening properties. Okay, next up in terms of animal testing, this is vegan as well as cruelty-free, so no issues with that. In terms of the promises this one makes, so it promises to help hydrate, help repair, and help brighten the skin. I believe it helps on all of those accounts. I will say my skin is so full of melasma and hyperpigmentation, especially on my forehead. I didn't notice any brightening from this. However, for somebody with newer dark spots or hyperpigmentation, they're probably going to notice some benefits from it. I've been working on it now for a decade or so, and it's gotten really to where it is now, which is much better than it was, but it's still very bad. It's still noticeable. It's still there. It's a lot better, but anyway, I think a lot of these topical things I've tried, and some have probably helped at some point, but for newer hyperpigmentation and things like that, it's probably going to be much more beneficial for that than old stubborn ones. So let's see what else I have. Okay, so in terms of the hydration, it's very nice. It feels more like a lotion. It's kind of tacky, but not terribly so. Anyway, so it's a nice option for dry, sensitive, or oily skin. Even acne-prone skin types, I think, will be able to use this. So for acne-prone skin, we have Glyceryl, Stearate, and Carbomer, so nothing too terrible for acne-prone skin. The price of this, I think right now it's on sale at Yes Style. I think it's on sale for like $10. I think I bought it for $15. Otherwise, it's 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, so 15 or 10, it's still a good deal. Then in terms of the it factor, not a must-have for me. In fact, one of the dupes I really like. So one of the dupes for this one is the Numbuzin number 5 vitamin concentrated serum with glutathione. I really like that one. The texture of it's a little bit lighter and a little bit less sticky. I really like that. It's a very close dupe to this with some of the brightening ingredients as well. Some other dupes are the Skin and Lab Vitamin C Brightening Serum, the Isntree C Niacin Toning Ampule, the Round Lab Birch Juice Serum, and the Innisfree Vitamin C Enzyme Green Tea Serum. So overall, this is a very nice one. It works great for a lot of people. It's got a lot of great reviews, so check those out as well. Overall, with a 10 being a perfect score, this one a 9. It's got everything good going for it. I like the dupe better than this, but anyway, it's still nice, and it's a little bit more hydrating than the one from Numbuzin, but I really do love the one from Numbuzin. I'll link to it below because I reviewed that one a few months ago as well, and that one might be worth checking out too. So anyway, interested in hearing from you guys if you have a chance to check this one out yet or not, and if you have, what your thoughts are. Leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.